Welcome to Stuart, Florida, where the sun shines on unique financial opportunities. At Davies Wealth Management, we recognize the distinct financial landscape of this coastal paradise. Stuart isn't just a city, it's a financial ecosystem, offering no state income tax and a thriving real estate market. Imagine investing in waterfront properties or tapping into the booming marine industry. Stuart's charm and economic potential make it a haven for retirees with tax friendly policies and vibrant community life. But navigating this landscape requires more than just luck. It demands strategic planning, from diversifying investments to optimizing retirement income. At Davies, we tailor our strategies to align with Stewart's unique opportunities, ensuring your financial journey is as smooth as the gentle waves on its shores. Whether you're eyeing real estate, exploring marine investments, or planning for retirement, Stewart offers a wealth of possibilities. Let us guide you in crafting a financial future that captures the essence of this beautiful Florida community.